Hi everyone, welcome back to Rachel and Bella Crafts. Rachel here, I hope you're all well. So I'm just doing a little video today. It's a bit of a special subject. We have got a Facebook group. I don't think I mention it very often actually, probably should mention it more. It's currently called Junk Journal Trading Post, but I think if you do type in Rachel and Bella Crafts on Facebook, it does also pick it up because it's part of the title. In our Facebook group, we have an absolutely amazing team of admin helpers, and earlier in the year, one of the admin team, Krisse, she very kindly organised an amazing event for us called a Secret Sister Journal Swap. So the idea was, because obviously the admin team, they're always organising all the swaps for everybody else, and it was to be a swap between all of us. So Krisse went and drew everybody's names out of a hat and gave us who we were making a journal for. Obviously, the recipient didn't know at the time, so all we've known all along is who we're making our journal for. And then now this month is our swap month. So, we've given each other plenty of time because we've all had lots of different things going on and travel and things with the summer. But this month we are all now finally very excitedly swapping our journals. So I've come on today to do a video for you. This is not my journal. This was the swap that was done between Bella and Krisse because they drew each other as swap partners. And Krisse sent this over to my mum's, had it about a week. Mum opened it and was incredibly emotional and had to turn her video off. So you may have seen the little clip on the Facebook group, but I'm going to do a full flip through today because I haven't yet looked at it. So you can share my excitement of having the first look through, and we'll have a little look at all the different things that she's put inside because it is absolutely amazing. Look at the size of this journal. It is stunning. I don't know how long it took her to do this. I know she's pretty quick. We also have seen Krisse. She's doing the charity journal drive at the moment where she's making all those wonderful journals. And I know she's fast, but there's a lot of work has gone into this. So before I start, I'm just going to show you this beautiful little tag that she's made. This was obviously to wrap around the outside, but that is just so cute. Look, it's got lots of little sparkly butterflies in there. It's really lovely. And she's backed the inside of that as well. And then she's covered the front with fabric. And it's just lovely. It's all little lacy, scrappy bits and really shabby chic. I love it. So let's pop that by there so I don't bump it. Right, I need to make sure now I don't miss anything. So we've got a lovely bulldog clip on the front. And then she's made this fabulous snippet roll, which I must show you. So let me just give you a quick look through all of these lovely fabrics on here, which of course are all completely colour coordinated with everything that's inside of the journal. Isn't that fab? So let me pop that down there a minute. And then I can show you the front cover. Now, this journal is absolutely bulging. So I'll hold it up so that you can see. So she's got this lovely thing on the front. And the attention to detail is amazing. So she's got a little bee on there, look, for Bella. And then little flag things on there. On the front of the journal is a butt plate that she's used. She's got a lovely vintage style bingo card behind here. And then this lovely image on the front. And then she's layered up lace and doilies. Oh my gosh, there's just so much stuff on here. It's amazing. And then she's got fabric, and then she's got this lovely embroidery anglaise then as well underneath. So let's have a little look inside, shall we? All right, let me just... And of course, bear in mind, this has come to us from all the way across the pond, from America. And it's actually travelled really well. So we've got this lovely little dangle in here that she's made with this lovely flower on the side. And then here we've got a lovely tag, which she's made a pocket using some printed vellum, which is fab. She's stamped on the back of there. Oh gosh, this is lovely, really lovely. And then what we've got here, we've got, so she's done a double pocket. And then we've got these gorgeous tags in here. Let me get this one out. Look at that there, how she's got little dangles on there. So much work, so much detail in everything she's done. It really is tremendous. Oh, look at that. She's even backed that look with a calendar page. Gosh, that's a really good idea. I never thought of doing that. Oh, I like that. I'm going to pinch that idea. You might see that now in future. Krisse, sorry. That's brilliant. And then we've got a lovely tag here. Another one here. Let's pop that back in there. Okay, and then she's got a lovely little cluster at the bottom. And then here, oh, look at this. So she's got a tag here, and she's got a little cross on there. Look, for on a dangle. And then there's a little envelope under there. And then she's got another little tiny envelope there. Sparkle, give off sparks, reflect bright light. Oh, that's lovely. And then there's made a pocket with lace. And behind that, I think it's a piece of vintage wallpaper. So that's a nice little touch there as well. can't believe how much stuff is in this journal. It's absolutely jam-packed. It's gorgeous. Really lovely. And then we've got vellum on the front there. Look, and that's a little notebook. And she's put some vintage paper in here. Book page. More lace and a lovely little yo-yo. Oh, what have we got in here? Oh my goodness, what's this? So we've got a vintage document in here. My gosh, if you've aged this yourself, Chris, what you must have done, this is really, really good, because I had to look twice then. I'd be interested to know what paper you've used. That, from a distance, looked like, well, from in the book, looked like it was on onion paper. Oh, it's lovely. It's got a little charm on there as well. There's some more of this lovely kit. This is beautiful, this kit. Really pretty. And then we've got a postcard here. Oh, that's lovely. And that's stuck on there. And I think, and this text behind it. So we've got, oh, this is interesting. There's some really nice vintage book page. And let me just tuck those back behind there. Does this open? Yes, it does. Oh, and I can see, let me see if I can bash that down a minute. Well, not bash. Not the word. I'm not going to bash it. She's got, I can see she's written Bella in there, and it's inside, but I don't. Oh, there it is. I got it. I got it. I worked it out. Is that meant to come up there? Yes, it does. Right, there we go. I can see what it is now. Sorry, I was just trying not to bust anything. Okay, so we've got this lovely pocket, and inside the pocket, look at that. It's a beautiful tag with Bella written on it. Oh, yeah, that is lovely. Let me just plop that back in. I'm afraid if I don't put things straight back in, I'm going to forget where they have come from. Okay, so let's pop that back behind there. There we are. Got a lovely colour me page. And some more of this lovely kit. She's splattered on to a doily. There's some lovely tags and in a nice vellum pocket. And we've got a lovely little charm there saying laugh. And, oh, that's a nice little touch. A vellum pocket that she's embossed. And then she's put like a little belly band on top of it as well. And then we've got these beautiful tags inside as well. On that. Oh, oh yeah, lovely. Got two there. That's fab. And then here we've got some lovely postcards. And everything's been aged nicely, so it all looks really vintage shabby. And there's some more postcards. And a dictionary page. Couldn't think that what that was called then. And then we've got some journaling cards in here. And a lovely little clock that you can set the time on. And she's got a beautiful butterfly. And then we've got another one this side. Oh my gosh, it's just so much to look at. Yeah, we've got a vintage postcard here, which I think is from India. I'm guessing this is probably the ones that we were, I know I bought some of these from Mehataj. Oh, and these are cute little stamps and a postcard in there. I'll put that in there so we don't forget that it's there, because that's beautiful. Little flower on there as well. And then we've got some tags and some more ephemera in here. So very lovely. And a charm, and that I think is an altered paper clip. Yes, it is. That's beautiful. And then this is an interesting pocket. So that comes off there, and then that comes out there. Oh, and then we got a little pocket in there. Oh no, no, wait. It's a flip. Oh, I like that. And then you've obviously got a little. That's to tell you, then you can use that as a pocket. We can pop that back on there. Nice touch. See with the paper clip. I knew I needed to remove that then. And then here, oh, I like this. Does it go that way? I can never undo my own. No, perhaps it doesn't. I'm sure I meant to open it. How do I undo the string? Ah, I got it. I got it. Oh, look, and that's a little notebook in there as well. That's just so cute. I love it. So cute. There we go. And we've got some of these lovely clocks in here. We've got some vintage petty cash slip things there. Another nice little notebook here. And then in this one here, we got a lovely belly band. And then, what's she done here? Timeless Treasures. Oh, this is lovely. So she put a charm on the end of that as well. I can't do the string on it. Oh, there we go. And then some stamps. And then, oh, goodness, look at that. So we've got pockets there, and then space for writing notes there. Fabulous. There we are. Pop that back into there. And then we've got a little music book page and a tag. And then little dangles with buttons and charms and lace. And oh my goodness, it's just so much to look at. And here we've got another one that opens up. I'm not going to open that one up because I keep getting my string caught in my fingers. And then we've got some lovely journaling cards in there as well. And that is, and then got another one of these lovely letters from India. So that's a vintage letter in there. And then here on the other side then, we've got a little tuck spot and some lovely ephemera there. I think she embossed that page, or maybe it's when she's coffee dyed it, because there's, I don't know if you can see, there's a lovely pattern on there of flowers. Oh, there it is, it's the other side. Ah, she's done that with a doily, hasn't she? She's so clever. That's fab. And then here we got a vintage newspaper page. Fab. And then we've got some more coffee day paper. And we've got a writing spot under here. Oh, these are lovely. And then, oh, that's good. That's a belly band. So it's got another bit of vintage book paper in. Some more coffee day papers and the stamps. And then we got the second signature. So again, we got a lovely stuffed pocket here with tags, and she's put little dangles on these tags. And then we got all this beautiful eyelash, and oh my gosh, there's just so much going on. There's a stitching on the edge of the pages here. That's just stunning. Oh, look, she's got Evening Prayer in there, little vintage book page. Oh, that's a good idea. That's from, you know, embroidery. What are they called? Popper. Very cool. Oh, I think I can see what this does here. Oh, I like this. Haha, look at that.
Oh, that's fun, isn't it?
That's amazing. I love that. And then got some more lovely coffee. I love this coffee day paper as well. It's really lovely. Oh, look. I've got a vintage birthday card in there. Oh, that is lovely. 1954, oh my gosh. Oh, that's lovely. Flower on there. We've got a loaded pocket here. What have we got in here? Oh, some more lovely ephemera. And then we've got some more in the front here. Oh, there's some fairies in here. Some ticket stubs. Cash slips. There's like a sheen on this as well then. And what we got there? Little bee. That's so cute. And then we got some flashcards and some journaling cards. Some tags. 2 layers of tags. This is a triple pocket we've got here. Lots of vellum. It's just lovely. So much detail. Oh, I like this pocket. Look at that. That's a great idea. And then we've got a tuck spot here. Oh no, that's on a pocket, on a paper clip. Right, I better just check in case that does something. Does it? No.
It's just a corner piece, I think.
Right, that's okay. I didn't want to just miss it.
Clever, isn't it?
Very nice. Oh, I love this.
Oh, that's lovely.
That's really lovely.
You forget what's in there, don't you?
And we got a belly band there with some vintage botanical paper. Some music paper. Another tag. And then we got another one here.
I don't know where she found the time to do all this, do you?
No, I know I said that. I said she's just so fast.
She's clever.
Just lots and lots and lots of ideas in here. It's a great reference journal.
It is.
We got some more tags here. Again, lots of details. Let's put that one on the front page, shall we?
That's pretty.
And then we've got some little journal cards in here. So this is a stacked pocket. Great idea there.
You can see through there, can't you?
Yeah, the butterfly is like a vellum sticker.
Yeah.
It's another nice writing spot. Oh.
Did you mention about the touches at the beginning with the Gemini? And
Yeah, I've shown all of that, yeah.
That's what made me cry.
Oh, this is lovely. What do they call this?
Oh, that's, oh.
Where's
I should know.
Oh, cheesecloth.
Cheesecloth.
Oh, yeah.
Well done.
And then another writing spot in here. Oh! Things to do. Things to write on. Journaling spots. A proper journal spot, that is.
Yeah.
There we go. And then a nice writing music page at the back. Oh, a bit of fabric's come up there. There we are. Lovely lace. Lay that down. And try not to change pages. Oh, there we go.
I love this.
It's gorgeous fabric, isn't it? It was lace, isn't there?
Yeah.
And she's
look
got
at
one
that.
of
I know,
these.
I know.
Oh, there we are. Like AW. So that's Bella's
I know.
initials.
Yeah.
Really lovely.
Thank you, Krisse.
Really, really lovely. I just can't get over how much stuff is in here.
No.
Wow.
It was the amount of work that had gone into this, Krisse, that made me cry. I'm doing it again.
Behave, woman.
See, that's why I couldn't do the flip through.
That's why I'm doing the talking today,
Yeah.
guys.
I've never had anything so beautiful.
Oh, I mean,
And I do love it. I really love it.
well, thank you for that, Krisse. Thank you so much for organising the swap. We're all really excited. I can't wait now for mine to come. And it'd be great now to see all of the girls doing their flip throughs as well. I'll try and do a playlist actually on our channel so you get to find them all and see them all. But that's just brilliant. So hope you enjoyed that, guys.
Yeah. Thank you, Krisse.
We'll
Wonderful.
be back with you very soon. Take care, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.